If a marketplace paid you more than $20,000 and processed more than 200 transactions in a year, they send the IRS a 1099-K, and Box 1A on that form is gross payment volume. Not what you earned, not reduced for fees, refunds, or shipping. Just the raw total that moved through their system. This workbook builds the bridge between that number and what actually reached your bank account. Inside, you'll find 11 connected tabs and 5 printed guides, covering every dollar a marketplace seller has to account for at tax time. It opens straight in Google Sheets with one click, no importing required, and it works exactly the same way in Excel and LibreOffice. The Bridge tab takes that gross number from Box 1A and walks it down line by line to what should have actually landed in your account. Every dollar in between gets named: refunds, marketplace fees, payment processing fees, shipping labels, each one pulled from your own ledger, not estimated. A sale in late December that doesn't pay out until January sits in one year's 1099-K and the next year's bank statement. Two typed lines put it exactly where it belongs. The Sales Tax tab covers all 52 pre-filled jurisdictions, showing what a marketplace facilitator has already remitted on your behalf and what you may still owe. Each state gets its own verdict, filed for you or yours to file, so you're never left guessing where you stand. The Fees tab sorts every charge onto its own Schedule C line, with a built-in guard against double-counting shipping labels. See your real fee rate by channel: Etsy, Shopify, eBay, Amazon Handmade, Fair, Square, so you know exactly what each platform is costing you. The Schedule C summary rolls it into the categories your return actually asks for. This covers the marketplace side of things. Cost of goods, materials, home office, and mileage still live outside this workbook. Behind it all, the settlement ledger is where every payout, fee, and refund gets logged once. Everything upstream pulls from that single source. The dashboard puts the whole filing season on one screen. What's reconciled, what's outstanding, and what to do next. 5 printed guides walk you through the reconciliation, state-by-state sales tax, and how to read your own 1099-K. It's built for sellers on Etsy, Shopify, eBay, Amazon Handmade, Fair, and Square. Anywhere a marketplace issues you a 1099-K. One payment, and it's yours to keep. No subscription, nothing to renew. Next January, you start from a copy of this year's file instead of a blank sheet. And to be clear, this workbook isn't tax advice. Pair it with your preparer or the IRS's own instructions for what actually goes on your return. It's an instant download, ready the moment you check out. Open it in Google Sheets or Excel and start reconciling today.